like coming to us?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Swinging?
Oh, a little bit.
Yeah, you're good. We're filming a truck video. I'll be in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you want to?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, meet us on the other side.
Okay, bet.
What the fuck?
Where else are you going?
Take off like Team Rocket. Alright
guys, we just got done with Publix and Target and bar burritos. Now we're heading to Scoops to get some ice cream on this rainy day. We're gonna have some fun. Ready?
Yeah, I might not. Oh no, I might not. Yeah, I might not be the biggest star right now, but my time will come. Yeah, my time will come. Said I might not be the biggest man.
Why not? Hey bro, what the fuck going on?
How's it going?
Swinging?
Oh, a little bit.
We're gonna be in the.
This is so crazy.
Yeah. These guys pulled up. We thought we were about to get fucked up, and then they were like, "We're filming a truck video." Okay.
Let's see.
I'm just gonna fucking do it. Fuck it.
What's going on, Johnny?
M54 problems.
There's no oil.
It's all the way at the bottom. Yeah, we're done.
Yuck.
We gotta go back to the house and put some oil in it.
Well, that was pretty weird. That was crazy.
What the fuck? He was like, bro, you swinging?
What the fuck? It was so weird, like the way it happened.
We're not takeover people. We don't associate with takeovers, but Letty wanted donuts, so I gave him donuts.
Right, that was pretty sick. I think they were pretty chill.
Those guys are pretty cool.
Look at the pour. Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit. How much you putting in this thing?
The whole thing, dog. It's empty.
I guess you're right.
Alright, now that we got oil, we're gonna try and find another spot.
Okay, so we ran back into these homies with the damn big ass trucks. And they said to follow them, I think, is what they're trying to say.
Yeah, buddy. Roll call.
Yeah. Okay, we don't know what the hell's happening, but we're following them. They got, I don't know.
I'm just confused as fuck.
Austin's truck is sick.
No, his truck is sick.
We're still in Monroe. Yeah.
Taylor's about to experience his first ever drift.
Can I have a little bit of deep fry?